To set up mobile data limit on Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter mobile network, and then you can go to data usage. Scroll down and select more data settings, and that way you'll be able to set up monthly data limit. You can enter limit right here using megabytes or gigabytes, and then there's a option to select the start date. You can insert the date where it should start calculating data limit, and then there's usage reminders. You can change behavior for when you go over monthly limit, disable mobile data, or only notify me. You can also change a monthly data reminder that you will receive at what percentage of consumption, and daily data reminder. For example, if you reach 4 gigabytes daily, then it will send you notification that that you used that limit. Then there's option to lock screen data usage reminders, which will show up those reminders on your lock screen as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.